Dashboard here. This video was taken the other night while I was on my way home. I came upon this scene. I have been unable to determine what happened here, but from the outside looking in, the car that was involved in this incident rammed a sheriff's SUV, thus terminating the incident. Now I can speculate that the car was possibly running from the sheriff's and the chase terminated here, but I really don't know anything that happened here other than a car hit a sheriff's SUV, which really isn't very smart. Don't forget to like and subscribe to keep these videos coming your way.
What's going on with all these people having accidents?
People not paying attention. Unless they ran a light or something. Or is it a sting?
Because ain't no cops standing out here.
Well, you've got 3 cop cars there and 1 car. And 1 cop there.
One blocking the turn lane over there.
Kind of weird. Oh. He clobbered the cop car.
Really?
Yes. That first one had a big old dent in its door.
Oh, damn.
Yeah.
Hey you. Yeah, you. If you enjoyed this video and want me to continue making these videos, leave a like, leave a comment, share this video, even click that little subscribe button. Come on, you know you wanna.